away the power of corrupt leaders to manipulate public funds and capitalize on people's money for their personal interests, greed, and political ambition. The welfare of the people is our highest priority. Technology will be our powerful tool to impose checks and balances, monitor paper trails, eliminate arbitrary and politically motivated decision-making, and prevent unconstitutional budget insertions to curry political favor at the expense of the people's money. If technology is a blessing to modern society, then let us use it to protect the people's rights and welfare. The right to have better governance, the right to have better opportunities in our homeland, and the strong political will to put our leaders in check when they have unforgivably gone beyond the authority that the people have vested in them. Let us use technology and digital transformation as weapons to close the door where corruption once thrived unchecked and unpunished. Our readiness for change brought by digital transformation will test our capability and agility in embracing technological evolution. By investing in our people and developing our capacities today, we can strategically take advantage of future opportunities and create a stronger, more resilient, and more competitive nation. Nakakapagod na po ang maging huli dito sa ating rehiyon at sa buong mundo. Let us move forward with greater resolve to make our nation great because the Filipinos deserve better. Mabuhay ang Philippine Chamber of Commerce and Industry. Mabuhay ang bawat Pilipinong tunay na nagmamahal sa Pilipinas. Mga kababayan, ang lahat ng ginagawa natin ay para sa Diyos, sa bayan, at sa bawat pamilyang Pilipino. Syukran.